Welcome back. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue is Ferrari's boldest move in decades, a car that rewrites what an SUV can be when it comes from Maranello. Ferrari does not even like to call it an SUV, and once you spend a few minutes with it, you understand why. At first glance, the Purosangue looks muscular but elegant. The long hood, wide stance, and sculpted body lines clearly signal Ferrari DNA. It sits higher than any Ferrari before it, yet it still looks athletic and aggressive, not bulky. Every angle feels purposeful, from the slim LED headlights to the wide rear with its signature quad exhausts. Under the hood is where the Purosangue really separates itself from everything else in this segment. Ferrari stayed true to its roots by fitting a naturally aspirated V12 engine. No turbos, no hybrid assistance, just pure high-eving Ferrari sound and performance. The engine produces over 700 horsepower, sending power to all four wheels through a fast and smooth dual-clutch transmission. Acceleration is brutal for a vehicle of this size, with 0 to 60 happening in just over 3 seconds. The sound alone reminds you this is not a typical luxury SUV. On the road, the Purosangue feels shockingly agile. Ferrari's advanced suspension system keeps the car flat and composed, even when pushing hard through corners. It does not feel tall or heavy the way most SUVs do. Steering is razor sharp, and the chassis responds instantly to driver input. At the same time, it can be surprisingly comfortable, soaking up rough roads when driven calmly. Inside, the cabin blends luxury with a very driver-focused design. High-quality leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum are used throughout. The front seats feel sporty and supportive, while the rear seats are individual bucket seats rather than a bench, giving rear passengers a more premium, performance-oriented experience. Ferrari has also focused on technology, with digital displays for both the driver and passenger, though the layout may take some time to get used to. Practicality is better than any Ferrari before it, but expectations should stay realistic. There is more cargo space than a traditional Ferrari, and the rear seats can handle adults comfortably, but this is still a performance-first vehicle. It is designed for people who want everyday usability without giving up the thrill of driving a Ferrari. In the United States market, the Ferrari Purosangue sits in a league of its own. It is priced well above most luxury SUV, but Ferrari buyers are not looking for value. They are looking for emotion, exclusivity, and performance. And in that sense, the Purosangue delivers something no rival can match. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue proves that Ferrari can step into a new segment without losing its soul. It is fast, loud, luxurious, and unapologetically Ferrari. This is not an SUV trying to be sporty. It is a Ferrari that happens to have 4 doors and more ground clearance.